Ladies and gentlemen, you remember, this is William. You remember I made just a very short video of this lawnmower that brand new didn't start, and so I didn't know. I mean, it says guarantee start. It says right there, guarantee start, guarantee to start. Well, it didn't start, and you saw that. So anyway, I kept messing with it, and yeah, I got it going, but you know, it acts like sometimes I feel it acts like a crying baby. You know, when a little baby wants to something, it cries. Yes, and so whatever moves around him, he cries. This is how she acted when I put it to high grass test. So I don't know. It's been almost a month that I don't even use it. Because it's been raining so much in Puerto Rico. So today I'm going to put it to the test of the high grass and see how it acts. Okay. So beware. It's going to be a lot of noise, and I have my phone on my hands. So you know, it did a pretty good job here in my farm, right in front of it. So I'm going to move to the real test. Okay? So bear with me, because I have to go on the road here. Okay, so there you are. I don't think that is so high for this thing. Cost me $500 almost, $490. And I have a, what is this? An old low boy. Is that what low boy? Yeah. I have this low boy here. It broke. Okay, here it is. Yeah, low boy. Oh, low boy. Look here. It broke here. But I used to cut the grass. That grass there with no problem. You know? And so, you see that? It's broken. It broke the box right there. But this thing, smaller than that, smaller wheels. And also the automatic thing that pulls the wheels broke too. So I bought that new one. And this one here cut that grass with no problem. So I don't know. So Home Depot lying to me or what? Well, they don't make them anyway, I know. But that's what it is. So you tell me what I do. Okay. So that's it. Just a short video. You saw it in action. So that probably, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I don't like it the way it works. I don't like it. And so I needed it. That's why I didn't want to take it back, because if I guess all of them are going to be the same, so I don't know. So I'm going to try to use it where it is not too much for it. Okay, like right here it worked okay, but I mean, see, right here it works okay. But when it gets higher, it just starts asking for help. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel, only 26 subscribers has. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers so that YouTube will put me on another category. Well, you know how that works. I don't know. I don't really know. But I'm trying to teach the people, you know, or trying to convince the people to plant what they eat. I'm eating out of this farm already. Okay, I haven't been to the supermarket in a whole month. I'm eating what I planted. 3 years ago I started to plant what I eat, you know, and so I'm happy with that. And I encourage people that likes farms to come to Puerto Rico and buy farms.